Imagine this. You wake up in a place that feels like home, but looks totally strange. The ground is dry and cracked, old trees turn to rock, and the sky shines with a scary red color that makes everything look spooky. No bird singing, no breeze in the air, just a weird machine noise far away, like something built long ago that's still working. Your heart beats fast as you walk closer, wiping dust off what seems like an old city, with buildings bent from huge shakes and sun heat over time. Through the fog, you see shapes moving, not ghosts, but people who look kind of like us. Could that be our future? Could we regular folks, always on our phones today, really make it through the end of our world? Get ready, because we're jumping 5 billion years ahead to answer the big question. Could humans keep going that long? Think about our sun, that warm light we've had for billions of years. But in 5 billion more, it's in for big trouble. Right now, it's a steady star keeping everything alive. But stars change over time, and ours is getting old. Skip ahead, and it'll run out of its main fuel, hydrogen, and start using helium, which makes it grow huge into a red giant. Yes, really, our sun will get more than 200 times bigger, big enough to eat up Mercury, Venus, and maybe Earth too. Experts at NASA say the sun's outside parts will spread out, making our sky super hot, over 2,000 degrees Celsius, like standing on the sun itself. The oceans, all boiled away, the air blown off into space. Earth turns into a burned-up rock floating around a sick star. But here's the exciting part. Can we humans escape this end-of-the-world heat? 5 billion years is forever. Dinosaurs lasted 165 million years and then gone. We've only been here 300,000 years. Chances of surviving? Pretty low. Or maybe not. Picture yourself still alive in a billion years. How? With cool tech. We're already changing genes with tools like CRISPR and connecting brains to computers with Neuralink. What if we turn into part machine people, putting our thoughts into tough digital boxes that can't break, or make our bodies strong against space rays? But first, the dangers on Earth. In the next billion years, the ground plates move crazy, making giant land masses that come together and split, with volcanoes blowing up like crazy fireworks, and ice ages happening over and over. Think about the big die-off 252 million years ago, called the Permian. Almost all life gone, 96%. 5 billion years means way more of those. But humans are tough like bugs. We've made it through cold times, sicknesses, and bad TV. Could we dig deep underground, build huge covered cities across lands, or fix the planet with new tech? Imagine big floating towns in the sky, pulling power from a weaker sun. But the best part, the moon. In a billion years, it pulls away slowly and Earth's spin slows down. So no more ocean waves. Still water means dead seas full of junk. End for life? Unless we fix it. Change the moon's path? Sounds like a movie, but people like Elon Musk are planning Mars trips now. Why not go further? Let's turn it up. 3 billion years from now, there's not enough oxygen. The air we breathe comes from tiny bugs and plants over time, but it starts running low. Long ago, oxygen made Earth full of life. Now it's going backward. Trees die, animals can't breathe. For us, we'd need fish-like breathing or fake lungs. But the fun idea, what if we pack up and go? Humans traveling space, living on other stars' worlds? Alpha Centauri is only 4 light years away and might have nice places. With fast ships or big family boats carrying frozen babies, we could start new homes. But 5 billion years, our galaxy smashes into another one, Andromeda. Like cars crashing in space, stars fly all over. Our sun could get kicked out into empty dark. To live, we'd have to be space travelers by then. Think of groups of our far-off family changed into light beings or mixed with computers, zooming past black holes. Scary? Cool? Tell me in the comments, could you live forever in space? Now, let's break it down more. 4 billion years ahead, the sun's big grow hits hard. Earth might get eaten, or if not, it gets way too hot. Smart star experts from the European Space Agency say Earth's path around the sun might stretch a bit to avoid the worst, but it'd be like hot, rainy Venus. Humans? We'd have left long ago. Think big spinning homes in space for fake gravity around big planets like Jupiter, or crowds of machines catching all the sun's light. That's like playing God with building. But our bodies keep changing. In 5 billion years, nature or our choices could make us totally different. Minds linked like one big brain, or rock-like life that likes empty space. Tiny germs have lasted 4 billion years. Mix us with tiny machines, and we could live forever. But the big hit? The sun dies. After growing big, it throws off its outside and shrinks to a white dwarf, a cold, small leftover. If Earth makes it, it freezes in forever night. No sun, no warm. Our final fight, sleeping in hot underground spots from Earth's heat inside, or running to lone planets with our own power makers. Let's think why this counts. 5 billion years is how long the sun lasts, but our story could go on. We've gone from drawing on walls to super smart computers in just thousands of years. Tech grows super fast, so in a million years, we might stop dying. In a billion, we move stars. 5 billion, we change the rules of the world. But bad stuff waits. Rocks from space, strong light bursts that kill, giant volcano blasts. In 1859, a sunstorm broke wires. Make it bigger, and it wipes out all machines. But we're strong. Stories like The Road or Fallout show us getting ready for tough times. Picture hideouts under ice caps, full of life codes like a bigger seed bank in cold places, or brain computers planning ways out. Let's look at the steps. In 100 million years, animals change a lot, and humans might split into sea, sky, and space types. By 500 million, the sun gets 10% brighter, heating oceans too soon. We fight back with big shades in space to block light. A billion years, Earth's protection field gets weak. Space rays hit hard. Fix, make fake fields around the planet. 2 billion, lands join into one big piece again. Weather goes wild. We fix it with plant helpers like algae making air. 3 billion, not enough oxygen. Use power plants to make more. 4 billion, sun gets close and hot. Big move to outer space. Swim in Europa's water under ice or live on Titan's strange lakes. 5 billion, the sun's last gasps. We take energy from the tiny leftover star or fly to other suns. Proxima Centauri b might be good to live on. With space-bending ships, trips are easy. But is it worth living that long? Forever in a getting colder space, with the end coming in way more years? Thinkers like Nick Bostrom say maybe we're in a computer game and 5 billion years is just pretend. Or we put our minds online, living as ghost data. Fun to think about, right? See your great kids not skin and bones, but energy, checking out other worlds. Scary? No. Awesome. We've come from tiny cells to thinking beings. 5 billion years? Just the next part of the tale. So, could humans survive 5 billion years ahead? Science says Earth is done, but us? We're the surprise. With smart tools, changes, and just not giving up, we might live longer than stars. What do you say? Dream world or hard times? Share below, hit like if this got you thinking, and subscribe for more space talks.